Hello dear friends, welcome to channel JK Learners. Famous temple in India. In which state Baba Balakar Nath temple is located? Jharkhand, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. In which state Baidyanath temple is located? Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand. Answer is Jharkhand. In which state Durga temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala. Answer is Karnataka. In which state Virupaksha temple is located? Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha, Kerala. Answer is Karnataka. In which state Lord Venkateshwara temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. In which state Konark Sun Temple is located? Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha. Correct answer is Odisha. In which state Mahabodhi Temple is located? Karnataka, Odisha, Bihar, Gujarat. Answer is Bihar. In which state Somnath Temple is located? Bihar, Gujarat, Odisha, Karnataka. Answer Gujarat. In which state Vaishnav Devi temple is located? Karnataka, Gujarat, Orissa, Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. In which state Dwarkadish temple is located? Bihar, Gujarat, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Gujarat. In which state Gomteshwara temple is located? Karnataka, Gujarat, Orissa, Kerala. Answer is Karnataka. In which state Padmanabha Swami temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat, Karnataka. Answer is Kerala. In which state Khajuraho temple is located? Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Kerala, Jharkhand. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. In which state Siddhivinayaka temple is located? Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Answer is Maharashtra. In which state Jagannath temple is located? Punjab, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Orissa. Answer is Odisha. In which state Golden Temple is located? Punjab, Maharashtra, Odisha, Kerala. Answer is Punjab. In which state Ramnath Swami Temple is located? Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Bridveshwara Temple is located? Kerala, Punjab, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Rajagopal Swami is located? Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Assam. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Kashi Vishwanath Temple is located? Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. In which state Sugureshwara Temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Uttarakhand, Karnataka. Answer is Karnataka. In which state Badrinath Temple is located? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka. Answer is Uttarakhand. In which state Meenakshi Temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Assam. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Sabarimala temple is located? Kerala, Assam, Gujarat, Odisha. Answer is Kerala. In which state Yamunotri temple is located? Bihar, Jharkhand, Assam, Uttarakhand. Answer is Uttarakhand. In which state Nataraja Swami temple is located? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Kamakhya temple is located? Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Assam, Odisha. Answer is Assam. In which state Gangotri temple is located? Uttarakhand, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Assam. Answer is Uttarakhand. In which state Akshardham temple is located? Rajasthan, Delhi, Gujarat, Assam. Answer is Delhi. In which state Kanchi Kamakshi temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Ramappa temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana. Answer is Telangana. In which state Amarnath temple is located? Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Assam, Himachal Pradesh. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. In which state Govardhan Math temple is located? Odisha, Assam, Punjab, Kerala. Answer is Odisha. In which state Murugan temple is located? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Answer is Tamil Nadu. In which state Kedarnath temple is located? Jammu and Kashmir, Assam, Uttarakhand, Bihar. Answer is Uttarakhand. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.